Hi, Sagittarius. Some sage and some lavender to cleanse the space. This and 3 chimes to bring in positive energy. This is a general reading for the sign of Sagittarius. If you have Sagittarius anywhere in your birth chart, this is your reading. It is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. You know what is for you and what is not for you. Wow, cards just popping out for you this week, Sagittarius. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Sagittarius. What would you like Sagittarius to know or to be aware of for or during this reading? Thank you, Spirit. Messages for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, if this is your first time tuning in, a little bit about the layout of this reading. When we look at this first row, we are looking at your public life, your professional life. Thank you, Spirit. And the energy that is surrounding you there. When we are looking at this second row, we are looking at private life, personal life, love, husbands, partners, wives, potential love interest, home, and the energy that is surrounding you there. And when we are looking at this final row, we are looking at final thoughts, final messages, final takeaway from this reading. Many times we will find that third row really brings together your reading, and maybe things begin to make sense. Sometimes ancestors and spirits will show up there. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Sagittarius. What would we like Sagittarius to know or to be aware of? Sagittarius, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. You know what is for you and what is not for you. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for Sagittarius. The foundation, the basis of your reading is the Four of Cups. A gift coming in, a spiritual gift, a gift coming in that maybe doesn't have your interest at this time, or you're not aware of what it is. And that is pushed by the Page of Swords. Following our desires. Taking the step, getting ready to take the first step to follow our passions and desires. Or not wanting to take the first step. Let's see how that plays into the rest of your cards this week, Sagittarius. We start off with the Six of Swords. Moving on, tranquil waters, calmer waters, changing the scenery, a change of the scenery. Moving on, moving past, moving beyond a perceived missed opportunity. Something is too much, feeling left out in the cold. And then we have the Three of Wands and the Two of Wands. Looking towards the future, moving towards the future, following our passions, following our desires. The workload, your work, what you do to generate money, what you do to generate finances, your school, your education has been very hectic for you, Sagittarius. And it's been very hectic, very busy. It's like it's been so busy, so hectic, that you haven't had time to follow your passions, haven't had time to follow your desires. If you have been looking or wanting to hire or add a new position. The higher ups, but there's a new person coming in. And this new hire is going to be able to help alleviate and free up time for you. And it's like this person is going to take some time to train, or take some time for you to train them, or for you to show them the ropes. And I believe that is the gift that maybe we're not so appreciative for. It's like, we appreciate that there's someone new coming in, but now I have to train them. Now I have to show them the rope. Now I need to teach them, or show, or to demonstrate to them what they need to do. But this is a blessing for you, Sagittarius. While it may take a little bit of time for you to get them trained, but you should have them trained in time for the hottest days of the year, for the dog days of the summer, so that you can take a quick trip, or even a vacation. So it's almost like you're really going to have to really double time it at now, so that you can enjoy the later days of summer. But you will get them trained. They will free up time, and you will have the time to follow your passions and desires later, but not now. It's going to require your time now. You're training them now, and you can enjoy and have sunnier days in the future, later this summer. And I believe that's why we have that Four of Cups. It's like, it's a gift, but it's a gift I have to work for. It's a blessing, but it's a blessing that I have to work for. And then that is followed by the Hermit card. The inner teacher, our wisdom, our intuition. The Ten of Swords, endings. I love that we have the Ten of Swords, follow endings and happy beginnings, fresh starts, new beginnings, and Judgment. 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 You have surrounded yourself with wonderful friends, wonderful family. You are surrounded by wonderful friends and wonderful family. And they are your perfect support team. They bring value, they bring life to you. They are a source of great happiness. And they're always ready to lend a helping hand in any and all challenges that you face. You are facing a very challenging situation, or you have been facing a very challenging situation, and your family and friends are there to support you, just like you've always been there to support them. maybe why not turn your home into a space, or invite family and friends over for a dinner, for a party, as a way to say thank you. Your family and friends are ready to help you, are ready to support you. But you need to create space for them. You need to let them in. Perhaps there's been a close friend or family member that you have had a disagreement with in the past. And there's been a degree of separation. You need the help and support of this person, and this person wants to help and support you, but is going to require you to ask them or to make space in your home for them. Blessings are meant to be shared. Blessings are meant to be shared. And there's something here that you have not been sharing, or they have not been sharing. Have a barbecue, have a family get together. Ask all family and friends over, including the one that you may be having a disagreement with or disconnect from. And you will find how supportive you really are of each other, and bring that blessing back into your life. And then we have the Two of Cups. Relationships, togetherness, partnerships, coupleships. Following our intuition, mastering our desires. The Devil card. Worldly things, tangible things. And here I love that we have the Three of Pentacles. Again, speaking to gatherings. And this is speaking to, again, having a party, having a get-together. I think that there's been a lot of chaos that has been occurring in your public life. And that chaos that is occurring in your public life is spilling over, is transferring into your private life. And you're more inclined to make financial missteps when we're surrounded by chaos. We need to bring calm and peace into our lives in order to bring that balance back and to detensify that chaos. Balance your checkbook before any commitments. Balance your checkbook before any commitments. And that is the message that I have for the sign of Sagittarius. Thank you, Sagittarius. You have a blessed week.